Hello, it's Miss Sandy. I have a really great story to start out my videos today, and it's about Elephant and Piggie. And Elephant feels really big, happy feelings, and then he feels really low, confused feelings about sharing, about being kind, and it's interesting. So let's see if you like this story about Elephant and Piggie's Should I Share My Ice Cream? Should you share your Legos? Should you share your parents' attention? What does that mean, sharing? Let's find out. Should I Share My Ice Cream? By Mo Williams. Ice cream, get your cold ice cream for a hot, hot day. Oh boy, ice cream. Elephant looks so happy. One ice cream, please, he asked. The adorable penguin, here you go. Oh, he got green ice cream. Oh boy, he is so happy. He's running away. Probably wants to gobble it up. But what he says is, I love ice cream. One of his favorite things. Wait! Something stops him. Wait! That's the word, wait. Piggie loves ice cream too. Piggie's his best friend. Maybe it's his sister. Oh my, Piggie's my best friend. Should I share my ice cream with her? Scratching his head. Should I share my awesome, yummy, sweet, super great, tasty, nice, cool ice cream? Look, he really wants to eat it. I wonder if he does share it. Let's find out. But he ponders. He says. He doesn't know what to do. He says again. He doesn't know what to do. Again. He really wants, look at the hearts, wants to yummy up that ice cream. But he's still pondering. Maybe Piggie does not like this flavor. Sharing a flavor Piggie does not like would be so wrong. I will eat the ice cream. Yum, 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 yum. But guess what? Before he actually eats it, wait! Piggie will like this flavor, so he doesn't eat it. It's very, very yummy. I will share my ice cream. Aw, what a nice friend or a nice brother or sister. But look, what's starting to happen to the ice cream? Drip. It will not be easy. Drip. Hey, Piggie's not here. She doesn't have to know I have ice cream. He doesn't look nice right there, but okay. It's true. She doesn't have to know. I will eat the ice cream. Yum, 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 yum. And before Elephant eats it, Elephant says, where's Piggie? Stops. But what's happening? Drip, drip. What if she is sad somewhere? And she is. I must find her. When I do, I will say, will you like some of my ice cream? Then she will say, thank you. That would cheer me up. Then I will give her ice cream. The problem is, bam, there was no ice cream left. No! But guess what? Who came to Elephant's rescue?